I'm moving, keep moving.
Still, you can't go out on the pier. Nobody's allowed to still go on there. I don't know if they're going to allow any more people out there ever. 3:02 p.m. Continue on with video, I think 5. This is video 5. Yeah, I know. This is video 5 on Saturday, September 26, 2020.
But like, I guess the two writers are act in it as the funeral. The rest of the actors are
I guess nobody's allowed to picnic out here. Yet they're on the beach together. I don't understand why they can't use the picnic tables, but they can all clutter up on the beach. Don't make sense. $13.04 miles. I think today is going to be my longest ride on this bike since I had it on May 15th of this year. Okay, end of video 5. I think we had enough video in today, I guess, on this nice red bike first time ride to Aptos.